Hi everyone, welcome to 10-minute standing yoga stretch. This is a simple stretching routine that you can do with or without a yoga mat. And if you are wearing comfortable clothes already, you don't even need to change. We will begin standing with feet hip distance apart. Ground down through your feet. Roll your shoulders up and back. Lengthen the crown of the head up to the ceiling. Take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. With your next inhale, reach your arms up, stretch through the sides of the body. Exhale, release the arms down. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift the heels, try to balance on your toes. Exhale, heels down, arms down. One more inhale, reach up, try to find your balance. Exhale, release heels and arms down. Grab your left wrist with the opposite hand, step your left foot behind, slightly bend your front leg and bend to the right to feel the stretch on the left side of the body. Come back to center and switch side. Grab your right wrist, right foot steps behind, bend to the left, stretching the right side. Slowly come back to center. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, reach your arms up and slightly lean back for a gentle back bend. Take one more deep inhale here. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees. Grab your upper arms with the opposite hands. Let your head hang heavy. You can sway side to side if it feels good. Relax your upper body. Remember your breath in and out through the nose. Now release your arms, keep your knees bent and slowly rise up to standing. Good job. Now bring your feet wider, toes pointing out. Bend your knees over the ankles for goddess pose. Think of pushing your knees back and hips forward to feel engagement in your thighs. Sit as deep as you can. Bring your hands together in front of you. Hold here. One last breath here. Try to sit a little deeper. With next inhale, straighten the legs. Bring your feet parallel to each other. Hands on the hips. Inhale to lift the heart. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knees if needed. Hug your upper arms again as we did before. And either stay here or sway your body side to side, releasing the back. If your legs are straight, shift more weight into the balls of the feet. Release your arms, slowly come up with inhale. Bring your feet closer. For tree pose, shift the weight into the left foot and place your other foot either on your ankle, inside of the shin or inside of the thigh. Keep your arms up or hands together in front of your chest. Gaze forward. Try to stay stable here. One more round of breath. And slowly release the pose. Switch to the other side. Find the variation that works for you. And find stability here. Find your balance. Focus on the breath or on something in front of you. One last breath. And release the pose. For high lunge, bend your left knee over the ankle. Step your right foot far back. Make sure you are not overarching your lower back here. Try to tuck your tailbone slightly in to feel a deeper stretch on the right hip flexors. One more inhale and exhale here. With next inhale, straighten the legs. Switch to the other side. Left knee bent over the ankle. Tailbone slightly tucked in. Breathe here. Slowly straighten the legs. Place them wider again for goddess pose. Bend your knees. Find the balance. Place your hands on the thighs. Then bring your left shoulder forward and down. Twist to the right. Come up to center and switch to the other side. Right shoulder forward, twist into the left. Come back to center, straighten your legs, place your feet parallel, roll your shoulders up and back, interlace the fingers behind your back. Inhale, lift the chest higher. Exhale, bend forward as much as you can. Try to bring your hands away from your sit bones, stretching the shoulders. With your next inhale, slightly bend your knees and come up to standing. Release your arms, bring your feet closer. Notice how your body feels now after this short stretch. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye!